Macedonian Pass.
Ako din mamaya.
And now, let's proceed. What can you say about this picture? What's an idea about this picture? This is our past lesson. What's an idea about it? It states the description, the quantity, the unit cost, and the amount. What is this? Yes, Ms. Aaron, Ms. Villegas. A bill of materials. Very good. It's the bill of materials. So, what about bill of materials? What can you say about bill of materials? You can speak in Tagalog as you can express your idea. It's okay. What can you say? What is a bill of materials? Yes. Yes, what is the bill of materials? What can you say about the bill of materials? Aims for any idea? Mr. Gabriel. A bill of material is what? Very good. A bill of material is simply a list of material. Because a bill is a statement, right? How is a bill of material executed? In this form, we have the description, the quantity, the unit cost, and the amount. And then for the last one, why is a bill of material important? Come on class, you can express your idea, you can speak in Tagalog. Why is bill of materials important?
Important to know what
So you stand up?
important to know what materials that are needed for the project.
Okay, very good. And fourth, bill of materials is a complete description of the materials needed for a project. Okay class? So, I have here with me a game. Okay? This is as fast as you can. So, I need two groups of students. Mr. Sago, Mr. Gabriel, with this one. And then, Mr. Aaron Villegas and Mr. Basangan. Group 2. Okay? Here are your rods. Okay? The rule of the game. Let us take the rule of the game. I have here 4 questions. And these 4 questions are logic questions that will reveal our topic for today. So, the rule of the game, once you know the answer, just write it on the board, show it to your classmates, and your classmates will judge whether who comes first. Okay? Ready for the question number 1. Okay? For my question number 1. It is the opposite of the word anti. It is the opposite of the word anti. It is a 3-letter word. Show to your classmates. Show to your classmates. What's the answer? Bro, but the first one to get the correct answer is the group of Mr. Orolfo. How about 1 point for the group of Mr. Orolfo? Can you please give them a round of applause? For question number 2. Okay? The rule is, with this word, please minus the first 2 letters. It means the passing of fluids when doing vaccination with the use of needle. Minus the 2 letters of this word, passing of fluids when doing vaccination with the use of a needle. What's the answer? What's the answer? Show to your classmates. Okay? But my rule is minus the first 2-letter word. So, Mr. Aaron Villegas got the correct answer for the group of Aaron. For question number 3. Okay? For the question number 3, it is the process of setting goals to accomplish a strategy. It is a 4-letter word. To accomplish a goal or setting of goals. So for your classmates, what's the answer? Again, it's a 4-letter word. Starts with the letter P. Starts with the letter P. Ends with the letter N. 4-letter word. Okay. Mr. Aaron Villegas got the correct answer. Okay, that reveals. Okay, you may sit down. Thank you for your participation. Mr. Aaron Villegas, thank you. And Mr. Gabriel Orolfo, thank you. That reveals our topic for today, which is about project planning. Okay? I told you class that once the topic is stated, we must know how to construct questions based on knowledge, skills, and attitude. In this project planning, we must construct a question. Yes, Mr. Sagum. What is project planning? How about for skills? Yes, Mr. Gabriel. Yes, Mrs. Gab. Yes, Mr. Ko. How is the project planning do, or in other words, executed? How about you? Okay. We will answer these questions. Okay, we will answer these questions. What, how, and why in the succeeding parts of our lesson. Okay? And before we go on with our topic, we must define certain terms in order to unlock the difficulties with regarding to this study. Okay? So for first, can you please read the first one? Yes, Mr. Aaron.
Project. Plan set of interrelated tasks to be done with rough experience, cost, and other limitations.
Based on what you had read, any idea about the word project? Have you ever heard the word project? Or I mean, you can express any idea. What about the word project? Have you heard any idea? Yes, Mr. Basangan. What's your idea about the word project? What's your idea about you can express yourself, so you can speak in Tagalog, come on. What about the word project? Yes, Mr. Gabriel. Very good. Another, Mr. Sagu. What's your idea about the word project?
Ako mag-ano.
You can speak Tagalog.
Ako mag-asikaso.
Come on, express your idea. Have you heard the word project?